Today's topic is text wrapping. You have learned to insert graphics and illustrations in the last exercise. How do you want the text to fit to the picture? Do you want a graphics to stand alone with text above it and below it? Do you want the text to be along one side of the graphics? Do you want to have the text message split so that part of the text is on the left side and then continue on the right side of the graphics? Do you want the text to run right across the graphics? All these options are possible depending on the text wrap options. You choose. What if the graphics image is too large or too small? This is a problem you may face when placing graphics image into a document. In all word processing software, if you select the image, control handles will appear on the sides and on the corner of the graphics. When you place your mouse on these handles, the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, and you can click and drag the handle in or out to decrease or increase the size of the picture. In this exercise, you will learn to use text wrapping. Firstly, we have to know the features of text wrapping. What is text wrapping? Text wrapping is a method with the help of these methods we can easily place pictures, objects or graphics in a document. When you are placing objects, pictures or any shapes in a document, it appears at the left or right side. But if you want to increase or decrease the size of the objects or diagram that you placed in your Word document, then you have to click on the pictures or shapes. When you click on that, it will be selected. Then move your mouse pointer to the dots that appear on objects or shape. Then drag it. With the help of these methods, you can increase or decrease the size of the pictures or diagram that you placed in a document. टेक्स्ट रैपिंग फीचर्स की मदद से आप इजीली टेक्स्ट को रैप कर सकते हैं और वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में आपने जो भी पिक्चर इंसर्ट किया है या ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग जो भी आपने इंसर्ट किया है उसको आप प्लेस कर सकते हैं आइदर बिलो और अपर. इट मीन्स you can adjust the size or place of the pictures or drawing. That you can Perform these operations with the help of selecting pictures. आप उस पिक्चर को, इमेज को सेलेक्ट करके उसके साइज को इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन प्लेस योर टेक्स्ट as a transparent or your pictures as a transparent in a document। इसकी मदद से आप टेक्स्ट को अलग शेप्स और साइज में डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं और पिक्चर्स को जिसको आपने वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में इंसर्ट किया है इजीली। Next, open a new Word document and type the following. Here some examples are given. You can type this. Then you can either include a screenshot of the open Office Writer or search for a picture in your computer. To take a screenshot, simultaneously press Shift and print screen key. Place the cursor on the right of the text and simultaneously press Ctrl and V keys. It will print your screens and paste on your document. To search for a picture, place the cursor before the text. Click Insert tab and click Picture under Illustrations. Before browse for the pictures and click Insert. It will insert. Once you have inserted the picture, you can wrap the text by using the Wrap Text options. Under Text sections of the Insert tab, after double clicking on the picture, if you are working on the word, select the picture, then select the text wrapping drop down arrow in the Arrange group under the Format tab. These are the options that are available on a wrap text. You can place in line with text, a square, type, through, top and bottom, behind text, in front of text. Here, three options are very important, like a square, behind text, in front of text. You can easily place your text using these options. It is very useful when you are designing important documents or applying all types of styles or design, adding pictures, graphics, word art, smart art on a word document. इस ऑप्शन की मदद से आप आसानी से टेक्स्ट को रैप कर सकते हैं और पिक्चर्स को, शेप्स को, वर्ड आर्ट को, जो भी आपने वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में प्लेस किया है, इंसर्ट किया है, यूजिंग दीज ऑप्शंस दैट अवेलेबल ऑन वर्ड रैप टेक्स्ट. व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दैट इट will display a list of options. You can use these options to apply wrapping features in your document. इसकी मदद से आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में रैपिंग फीचर्स को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इजीली. जैसा आपने देखा होगा डिफरेंट न्यूज़पेपर्स, बहुत सारे सेक्शंस में न्यूज़ होते हैं, डिफरेंट न्यूज़पेपर्स में बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स होते हैं जो रैप किए होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, now try selecting different wrap text options such as square, type, through, those, etc. and observe the change made to the wrapping. a screenshot when the square options was used in below. Here square options is used. These are the pictures and these are the text. All students see the figure 22 very carefully and try to understand the features of wrapping text features of Microsoft Word. It is very useful when you are working with a text, pictures, word art, smart arts in a document. After that, some exercise and assessment questions are given. All students try to solve, fill in the blanks and answer the following. Here only one questions are given. You have to solve questions and send them in a class group. If you have any doubts regarding any topics that discussed, you can ask. Thank you.